going? We made it to Halong Bay. Your hair's getting in my face.
So windy.
Okay, we're here for 2 nights, 3 days.
Yeah, and you can tell about the change in climate because we're in our rab jackets.
We're in our rab jackets. We almost sent these home, believe it or not, after the Philippines, but good decision, we kept them. Right, okay then, so how do we summarise this trip so far?
Yeah, so we booked it for our hotel, and we got a bus all the way from Hanoi from our hotel, which took about 3 hours. Yesterday we went to Sunset Cave, which is also known as a surprise cave. Massive cave. So it was 150 steps up and 200 down, and about 1 kilometre to walk through. Yeah. And it was like comprised of 3 sections.
And every section,
bigger.
Yeah, they were just getting bigger and bigger. But really impressive, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Obviously, it was a really popular spot. A lot of tourists there, a lot of people walking around with us. But you still got your moments, didn't you, with the camera?
Yeah, and our
some
guide
nice
was really
pictures.
good as well.
And then we also went to the local pearl farm near to where we were anchoring down for the evening. We learnt all about how pearls are formed. Yeah. Really interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's quite interesting.
Don't know how I felt about the process. Like, I won't go into loads of detail, but basically they're using oysters, and out of all the oysters that they use, like millions of oysters, 50% of them die. It's still an interesting process. Yeah. It's been going for thousands of years. Bizarre, really, wasn't it? It was a bit different.
Yeah.
But glad we went there. We couldn't afford any of the pearls still.
Really expensive.
Hundreds of pounds.
I would have liked one.
Yeah, Laura had I this necklace that was 265 million dong, Vietnamese dong, which was about 8 grand. Yeah. So she's going to start saving up.
So on the second day, we got on a day boat to go and visit another cave. There was only us two doing the 3 days, 2 nights, and also another couple from a different boat.
So we merged together, and it was a really nice boat that we're on, wasn't it?
Yeah,
really nice.
Yeah, I can't believe that we had this boat.
Yeah, honestly. We'll be with you in a minute. So off we went. And yeah, what did we get up to first of all?
So first of all we went to Luang Cave. Yeah. So it's like a little cave, and we got a sampan boat, like a rowing boat, underneath this cave, and then we came out into like a lagoon, and it was beautiful, wasn't it? And then like they had these monkeys just hiding out in the trees, so we like rode over and went to say hello, didn't we?
Yeah, those monkeys were adorable, weren't
they? So cute.
And then off we went then. We then stopped and had a bit of a break and a brew, and we had an early lunch. I got to fly the drone around this lovely area. It was so nice.
So just like cruising along Halong Bay, seeing a different side of it, and it's just beautiful. Honestly, such a beautiful place. Yeah. Can't believe we're here.
We then went off to another cave. What was it called?
Mekong Cave, also known as Maze Cave. So we had to clamber.
Oh my god, it was crazy. I mean, Jackie, lovely lad, he obviously thought, well, he's got 2 young couples with him, let's test them. Yeah. He took us in these alcoves, like these little walkways. No one else was following us, it was just us 4 and Jackie.
Yeah, and his phone light.
And his phone light, yeah. But you know what, it was really good fun.
And then we hiked up to the top of this cave, and it's just a beautiful view with like a lagoon down at the bottom. So it was like closed off, so no other boats could actually go in it. So lagoon. And that was beautiful. Yeah. So anyway, it's not over yet. Tomorrow we're up to Tip Top Island.
It's like a little bit of a climb, a little hike. Hopefully get some good views. Okay, so just a quick update on the Titoff Island climb. What did you think, Laura?
Busy.
Busy. No, it's worth the hike. Quite a few steps up to the top. Just loads of people there, all trying to get the same view as everybody else. So there's a nice beach there, isn't there? But it's
only one person swimming in it.
Yeah, it was really cold.
So cold.
You can't imagine it's any fun this time of year. So yeah, that was Titoff. Just thought we'd give you a quick update because we were really looking forward to it yesterday, and then yeah, today it was interesting. And we were there for like 7:30, 7:45, and it was rammed. So yeah, after we've climbed up to the top of Tip Top Island, we'll then get back on. We'll then get back on this boat and head back to the mainland before bus back to Hanoi.
Hanoi, yeah. You need to subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. No, we're loving this, aren't we? It's great fun. God, I'm so glad we brought these wrap jackets, Laura. It's freezing.
We're gonna go off now and enjoy the happy hour. See you soon.
See you later.